Show that del square x over r cube is equal to 0. Now for this I have to take my r vector to be equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and we all know that its magnitude is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. And if you take the square on both the sides, we get r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. On differentiating partially with respect to x, we get curly r over curly x as x over r. On differentiating partially with respect to y, we get curly r over curly y is equal to y by r. And on differentiating partially with respect to z, we get curly r over curly z as z over r. So we need these details to solve this example. Now it is del square x over r cube. We can write this as, it's actually curly square over curly x square x over r cube plus curly square over curly y square x over r cube plus curly square over curly z square x over r cube. We have to solve all these three terms. First I'm going to solve this one and then this one, and the third term, the result for the third term will be get by symmetry from the second term, right? So let's start solving the first term. Curly square over curly x square, it is, can I write like this, x r the power minus 3? Yes. This is equal to curly over curly x. Let's derivate this first with respect to x. We have to derivate this 2 times. Alright, so its first function derivative of r the power minus 3 is minus 3 r the power minus 4 curly r over curly x plus the second function and derivative for the first function, that is x, is 1. So now we have to put the value for this curly r over curly x, which is x over r. So I got minus 3x square r the power minus 5 plus r the power minus 3. And now again differentiating this with respect to x, we get minus 3. Okay, again I'm having the both two functions. So it is first function derivative of this, which is minus 5 r the power minus 6 into curly r over curly x. Can I write simply x over r? Yes. Plus r the power minus 5, and the derivative for x square is 2x. Plus, for this I am getting minus 3 r the power minus 4 into curly r over curly x, which is x over r. So this is minus 3, and this is x cube. This will be minus 5 r the power minus 7 plus 2x r the power minus 5 minus 3 r the power minus 5 into x. So it's finally 15x cube over r the power 7, and it's 6x over r the power 5 minus 3x over r the power 5, which is equal to 15x cube over r the power 7 minus 9x over r the power 5. So just mark this as your first, and let's mark that this equation as your star, because we have to put all these three terms in this star, right? Now solving for the second term. Alright, now because we have to derivate with respect to y twice, so this this can be taken outside. Yes. Now derivate this. So this is curly over curly y, and this is minus 3 r the power minus 4 curly r over curly y, which is x curly over curly y. This is minus 3 r the power minus 4. This is y over r. and then it's minus 3 curly over curly y. This is y r the power minus 5 minus 3x. First function derivative of second minus 5 r the power minus 6 into curly r over curly y, which is y over r plus r the power minus 5, and the derivative for y is 1. So finally it's 15xy square over r the power 7 minus 3x over r the power 5. Let's mark this as 2. So now by symmetry, for the second term, by symmetry I can get the result for the third term, which is 15x z square over r the power 7 minus 3x over r the power 5. Everything remains the same, just you have to write instead of y square as z square. And let's put all these three into the star. So this is 15x cube plus 15xy square, taking r the power 7 as a denominator for all the terms, in which r the power 7 as a denominator. I have taken them together, and the terms having the denominator r the power 5 can be taken as together. 9x plus 3x plus 3x. Yes, if you take 15x outside, what you will get? This x square plus y square plus z square minus it's 15x over r the power 5. Now this is nothing but this is your r square, right? So this is equal to 15. It's actually 15x r square, and in the denominator I'm having r the power 7. Now it's been cancelled. 15x over r the power 5 minus 15x over r the power 5, and these both two cancelled. So finally I got, hence del square x over r cube is equal to 0, hence the result.